Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to use JMeter to test FTP operation. A popular FTP server, FTP basically used for file transfer protocol, is used to transfer files between a client and a server. I will show you how to set up FileZilla and use JMeter to test file uploads and downloads step by step. So let's begin. Open this website DLP test. In DLP test, this website public FTP site in which you can use for file uploading and downloading. Here FTP URL available and username also password available. So copy this details in which username and password and host available. Let's copy is now. First thing we need to do here, first we need to check the file present in FTP server. This is the host name. Copy this host name. First configure FileZilla. We need to configure the FTP server. Open FileZilla and enter host name here. After enter the host name, we need to enter the username and password. In this website, username and password both are available. This is public FTP server where we can easily upload and download the files. Copy this username and enter username here. Now, we need to enter the password. Copy this password and paste here. Just click on Quick Connect. After it will connect established connection, it will establish the connection and login. After login, it will retrieve directory. Here you can view multiple directories are available. So we can use this file for uploading and downloading. This is the local site, local system directory, see users and then folders. For example, we want to get the file from FTP server. We can perform these actions in JMeter. Open JMeter. Now add the HTTP request. Before the HTTP request, we need to add the thread group. Click on test plan thread group and now click on this thread group. In the thread group, we can enter the number of users, pump periods, and group count. Now add the FTP request, click on thread group, add sampler, and then click on FTP request. In the FTP request, we can change the name here. Suppose we want to get the file, so use here FTP get request. After this, we need to enter the server name, remote file, local file, and then use the method here get. Get means we want to retrieve the file from the FTP server. Put is used for sending the file from local to FTP server. Now, enter details here, server name and IP. Here, server name available ftp.dlptest.com. Copy this and open JMeter, enter server name and IP. Now, enter the username and password. After enter the username and password, I will show you how you can enter the remote file and local file. Enter the username, copy this username and enter username here. Now, enter the password for establish the connection enter password here. Now, for example, we want to retrieve this upload.php file in our local directory. So we need to enter the remote site slash enter here. Remote file is slash upload dot php upload.php, and we want to retrieve the file in this directory, C users, and then folder. Enter same as well. We need to enter the file name here, upload.php. Let's add listener for view the result and request and response. We can view the response and request by using view result tree. Let's clear the records now. Click on start. It will ask for save the test before running it. So click on yes and enter the file name here, FTP request, and then click on save. Now it will retrieve the file from FTP to local. Click on request. In the request, we just send it the URL which is host, and then username and password. Let's check the file is downloaded here. We need to refresh. Click on refresh. After click the refresh, we need to scroll down, and here you can view upload.php has been successfully downloaded. Now, I will show you how you can use the put method. Put method means you are sending the file from local to FTP server. Let's copy this request and change get method for retrieving. Copy this request and add another request for put method. Click on paste. Let's change the FTP request name here, FTP put request, and same as well we need to change here method put, and sending this file which is upload.php to remote server. We send this file upload.php to the remote server. In this scenario, we will change this file name uploads to uploading.php, and this is the local file which is present in local root. Now clear the results and again run this test. Click on clear and then again run this test. As you can view, it's sent the request FTP get request and then sent FTP put request. Now we need to verify whether this file has been transferred to the FTP server. So we can refresh, click on refresh. It will retrieve the FTP directory and directory listing successful, and just search here uploading.php. Here you can view this upload local directory file has been successfully transferred to the FTP server. One more options here available, use binary mode. You can use the binary mode and save file in response. Let's open this now. If we send the request without this save file in response, we does not get any response in this response body. Now let's we change here, save file in response, and then again run this test. Now it will send request to the server, and first it will send the FTP GET request and then send FTP put request. One request has been successfully sent to the server. In the response body, this file is empty, so we did not get any response in this section. That is for today's tutorial on testing FTP operation with FileZilla and JMeter. We covered setting up FileZilla and using JMeter to test file transfers. I hope this was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.